In the competitive world of HVAC business or industry, if you wanted to sustain and bring a consistency in your business, then you need to have a solopreneur model. Hi, my name is Praful Varma, welcoming you at another video of Moksh Lifestyle Hub. So when we are talking about a solopreneur business, you would be wondering what is this model all about. So in this video, I'm going to crack the code. First of all, I'll discuss with you the concept. What is this solopreneur model looks like, and what are those key benefits which you'll be utilizing it when you'll have a solopreneur model, how you can scale your business, how you can sustain your business, how you can optimize your overall profitability. This model can help you. So I'll take you straight away to my screen share and we'll crack the code. First of all, we'll discuss about the concept, and then I'll discuss and crack the code about what are the key benefits. There are certain key benefits which will be helping you to sail through all the odds. You'll be operating in a blue ocean zone, and you'll be having a more profit optimization done, where you'll be permanently working. You will have a more free time for yourself. You will have more time for your family, and same time you can have a complete freedom. You'll be operating from anywhere in the world, and ultimately you will not be selling, you'll be serving to your customer. So as you could see on my screen, the first is the concept. So solopreneur is an entrepreneur. So it is no more different than an enterprise or any agency or any business. It is a same business what you have as an enterprise. You'll be operating solopreneur as an entrepreneur. So ultimately, you'll be operating as a business body. Now the advantages comes if you're operating like a solopreneur. What are the advantages and benefits? So this is the business which will be operating independently. So as I was narrating to you, you can operate from anywhere in the world, anywhere in the globe. So this business will give you all kind of freedom leverages to operate this business. And for this, you don't require any partner. You don't require employee, or at most you may be requiring maximum of 1 or 3 employee, and those 1 and 3 employee will be including you. So there will be maximum you will have a 2 employee, and this business can prominently get applicable for a freelancing business or a consulting business. So here I will elaborate little bit. When I say freelancing and consulting business, if you are a HVAC business, whether you are a startup or you are already struggling to scale your business, either of the cases, you have to bear one thing very strongly in your mind. When I say freelancing and consulting, though you have a setup, though you have a business, but still you will be doing it a consulting, still you will be doing it freelancing, because though you'll be selling somebody else's product who is your OEM or any major brand product you'll be promoting it, but ultimately, or you'll be doing it a maintenance contract. But either of the cases, you'll be doing a freelancing where you'll be selling your services, where you'll be selling your product, or probably you'll be doing a consulting to the people who are like architect, interior designer, and builders, where you'll be consulting them and you'll be telling them for this particular project, this particular equipment will suit, where you can offer him a better pricing, where you can give a lucrative offer, where you'll be bagging the order. So one thing I just wanted to make it very strictly clear cut to you is you don't have to think that this is only applicable to freelancer and consulting, because at the end of the day, you are doing both. So this is applicable to the entire industry, whether you are selling a projects, whether you are selling a residential segment product, or whether you are selling a VRA product or chiller business or any other plant business which you are involved in. This is applicable to each one of you. So here what happens when you operate as a solopreneur, you will be having a hands-on on your sales and marketing. You'll be understanding the product development. Like when I say product development, you'll be knowing like what kind of solution you have to create for your customer. So basically, you will not be physically involved in the product development, but at least you will be stacking it all the product and you'll be making an offer and giving it to your customer. And then customer service, where you are getting involved to ensuring that your customer gets all kind of services and support from your end. And finally, you'll be operating your entire administration. So this particular model, which I'm talking about, solopreneur, This is going to give you a leverage where you can have a more freedom, you have more time for yourself, you will not be doing a firefighting, you will not be managing too many people in your setup, where you will have a more commitment, more overheads, where you'll be, whether you are doing a business or not, you have to pay your salaries, you have to pay your overheads, your other costs. So you can minimize all the cost, and that is the reason I say, if you are starting up in this particular industry where you'll have a too many competition, and when by the time we'll understand the entire business system in the market, like what customers are looking, what customers wanting it becomes too late, and then you will have a situation like you'll be firefighting and try to meet up everything. So solopreneur model will always help you to meet up your customer requirement. It will also help you to get a time for you where you'll have a me time. You can spend time with your loved ones, and you have a ease of freedom where you'll be operating the business smoothly, and you can give more time to yourself, your family, and ultimately you will be serving to your customer. So now you would have understood like how solopreneur model can be beneficial for you if you are starting or even you are wanting to scale it. So if you wanted to know more about the solopreneur business, we have got a consulting, so you can consult us and we'll be able to help you to design your entire solopreneur model where you can scale your business, you can take your business to the next level. Now I'll talk to you about the key benefits of the solopreneur model. So here what is happening, there are 10 aspects which I have considered, and this is all proven method which will be beneficial for you as far as your key benefits concerned. So first thing is full control over decisions. So when you are operating with a very limited resources, and here what is happening, you are operating with the system. So there is a system which is working instead of you working. So you will be only monitoring, catering. So you'll be knowing, you will have a hands-on on each and every aspect, your finance, your accounting, your sales, your customer inquiry, your prospects, everything which is coming to your system, you will have a full control. And based on the situation, based on the circumstances, you can take your decision where it will help you to implement it, and as the ease of comfort where you can able to implement, and you will see to it whatever decision you are saying, because you are taking a data-driven decision. So data-driven decisions will help you to take a optimal risk to maximizing your outcome. So full control over decision will always have a better edge because you are taking a data-driven decision, and this will help you to taking your business to the next level. So full control over decision is always going to be beneficial for you. Now you will have a flexibility, schedule, and location. So as right from the beginning, I'm telling you in this video, you will have a flexibility of schedule. So you need not be working like a typical working, or like you are coming office by 9:50, 9:30, and you'll be working till late evening. You do not have a time for yourself, or you have to be there in one location. So you will have a ease of flexibility, whether you are traveling, whether you are doing something else, and your business is keep running. So you will have a location leverage, you will have a time flexibility, you will have a leverage because system is working and you are just monitoring and everything is falling in place. So that is the second benefit you are going to have when you are having a solopreneur model. Then third point comes is the lower operating cost. Since you are operating with very limited resources, and for this you don't require to have a bigger infrastructure. Even you can do 50 crore, 60 crore turnover with this model, because this is the proven model and most of the people are operating. Here I will just add on, the biggest economy in the planet is the United States. And if there is a data which says in the United States, barring the Silicon Valley, you will have major businesses where they are contributing 97.3% contribution to their economy. Most of the businesses are solopreneurs. So people, either they are operating with one person like me, or either they will have a one or two hands and the entire model is being operated. So everything is operated online, and that's how that economy is growing. So this model is proven, and my mentors has trained me to doing this. So I have got a skill, I have got expertise, and based on my past experience, this all the things which I have created in I have created a new campaign which is beneficial for you when you will be applying the solopreneur model in your business. you will be on, you will have a full control, you will have flexibility, location flexibility, your lower operating cost will be there, and I'll be talking to you rest of the points. So fourth point comes is the direct client relation. See, when you are having a too many heads sitting in your organization, now what happens when you will have a too many people, the information which you wanted to pass on to your ultimate customer, that gets diluted in between, and then finally your customer gets a different information. When you are collecting a data from the market, your people are collecting a data from the market, by the time it reaches you, it gets diluted. So what is happening when you are operating in a very leaner format, it always helps you to have a direct client relationship. You will be understanding on a very easy way, like what is the customer requiring it, and based on that you can provide a solution. You can take data driven decisions, which will help you to go on a ease and serving your customer, not selling your customer. So by this time you would have understood like how this powerful model is the solopreneur model, and if you are going to apply this is going to change. This will be a game changer for your business. So that is the reason I thought this is a very important point, and I should make a video on that. So this message should reach to the broader audience, where people should know about the solopreneur. And if you require any kind of services related to and any clarification you have, we are there to help you. Now, coming back to the next point, the broad skill development. See, as I told you in the initial step when I was talking to you about the concept, I told you you will have a hands-on on every aspect. Like you'll have a hands-on on sales, you will have a hands-on marketing, you will be knowing about your accounting data, you will have administration, you will be knowing your customer. So everything will be built in such a manner in your solopreneur business model, where you'll be by forcefully you'll be working on and developing your skill to have a more hands-on on those aspects. So you will be, by default, you will be learning and knowing a lot of new things, which will be beneficial for your business, because that will become a need of hour. And when you'll be doing, because I have seen most of the cases, people always keep saying that I have a good knowledge as far as the production unit concerned. I'm a technical guy. I know much about the technicality, but I am not good in sales. I'm not good in marketing. So when you are operating as a solopreneur and when you are going through this model, here you will have an opportunity to work in each and every segment, and that will help you to enhance your skill, where you will be operating with the ease and you will be catering and serving to your customers. Now, sixth point comes is alignment with personal values. See, each one of us has a value. So when I'm talking about alignment with value, you know what is good for you, you know what is bad for you, and knowingly and unknowingly, you have certain value system which your ancestor has given it, like your father has given you certain value, his parents has given certain value. So that is there in your gene, that is there in your value system. So those value system, when you apply in your business, it is beneficial for your family, for your personal life, it is beneficial for your the professional life, or it is beneficial for your business or whatever you are doing, whether you are doing consulting, freelancing, or you are running a business, or whether you are working as a professional in some organization. Everybody has got a value, and if you are going to inculcate those values in your business, it will help you to align with your value system, and that is going to be a beneficial for you. Now, seventh point is quick adaptability, because you are closely working with the market, and when you are working closely with the market, you will come to know, okay, this is working, this is not working. Anything is required where you need to change your strategy, build your strategy, any innovative idea has to be implemented, you will take a quick decision. You will not wait for somebody else to be giving you approval, or like your superior is giving you approval to implement that. So when you are operating as a solopreneur, you will have a benefit and advantage where you can take instant decision, you can implement it and take your business to the next level. Now, eighth point comes is keep 100% of profits, which I am telling right from the beginning. When you are operating as a solopreneur, you will have a very limited resources where you will be working with the ease. So certainly when you are going to optimize, when you are going to promote your product and services, you will be retaining the maximum profits, and that profit could be up to 100%. I'm not saying 100%. Here, I could have told you like, okay, when you will have some cost in terms of your tool cost, your system cost, but that tool cost and system cost you are going to have one time. It is like an investment. So keeping 100% profit may not be wrong. You will have 100% profit coming in certainly. Now, this will help you to building your strong personal brand. See, most of the cases, what happen, whether you are operating as an entrepreneur or operating as a solopreneur, either of the cases, mostly we have a tendency, we try to publicize our brand name. So brand name, mostly we use it as a company name, and we always try to say, this is my company, this is my company. But here, when you're operating as a solopreneur, you'll be building your strong personal brand. Like how I have built, like Praful Varma is the brand. So I'm creating my brand as a, so when you connect with me, you get directly connected to me. I may have plenty of product, depending upon the solution, I provide a product to you. But here, I'm standing in the front, and you first get resonated with me, and then you buy my product, because there is a basic concept in the sales. People buy you first, and then they buy your product. So when I talk about a strong personal branding, here when I say personal branding is like your branding, which you will be developing it. And when you will be operating as a solopreneur, you will always have opportunity to build your strong branding, where people will get resonated with you. They will get connected with your value system, and ultimately it will help you to acquire more customer, because you are operating with a solopreneur model, where you will be building your own digital studio, and you'll be focusing and targeting your maximum prospect, where you'll be reaching to the broader audience. You'll be acquiring more customer. You'll be not only selling and serving to your customer, you'll be retaining them for a lifelong, and they'll be a lifetime customer for you. So this personal branding will help you to establish your connection with the customer in the marketplace with your brand name. Now, 10th and last point comes is creative freedom to innovate. See here, what happens, since you are operating as a solopreneur, so any new innovative ideas which comes in your mind, or where you see, where you learn and understand, you can inculcate all the ideas in your business, and then you have to see like what is working, you have to keep doing more, and what is not working, you have to leave doing it. So even in a daytime, when we travel somewhere in the marketplace, we see a lot of innovative things are there, which major brands are using it. Some kind of fluke idea will come in your mind. So when you'll be using those idea, you will always have a freedom to have a creativity. You can innovate them, and you can implement them in your business. So these are the 10 methods which I've just explained you, and I hope these key benefits can help you if you are a startup, or if you are a business who is in the market from last 4, 5 or 10 years, and if you wanted to scale your business, either of the cases, this model is a proven method, and this model can help you to scale your business on a ease, where you will not have a firefighting situation, and you can able to take your business to the next level. So with this video, I've tried to give you a lot of insight, lot of value. And if you are HVAC business, if you are HVAC consultant, expert and professional, if you are working somewhere, if you are aspired to become an entrepreneur, if you are inspired to become a consultant and professional, then I'm giving you a link here. I'm giving a link in the description also. So you can click the link below. You can see the available slot, and you can book one-on-one call with me, where I can see you one-on-one, and I can understand your specific challenges, and I can help you to giving you expert advice, which will help you to taking your profession or business to the next level. And this 45-minute call is absolutely free. So click the link below, see the available slot, and block one-on-one meeting with me, where I can see you live, and we can discuss and understand your challenges and give you expert advice to take your business to the next level. And if you like my video, then please do share with your friends and colleagues, so they can also start getting a benefit from it. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. If you have not pressed the bell icon, certainly press the bell icon, because I'm keep on publishing lot of HVAC industry, HVAC business, HVAC sales related content and videos, which will be very genuine and authentic. And if you are going to apply this in your day-to-day business, I'm guaranteeing you it will be certainly going to benefit you. So with this note, I'm closing this video here, and I'm going to see you with my new topic in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching this video. God bless you.